Everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to continue with the Pandas tutorial. So today what we're going to do is we're going to load a CSV file into a data frame. Now before you start, you need to import this Pandas as PD. This comes as bog standard with Python. If you can't find it on your system, you can install it through pip. But 99% of the time it's bog standard. It's you don't have to install it. So I've created a function here called Pandas CSV, and I've created a path to my desktop here, which is C users mark desktop. Now this is the path to my desktop. Your desktop path is going to be different from this, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path. And then we've used os.chdir path, so we've changed directory into this path. You also need to import the OS module into your program as well. Right, so we're going to get on with the program. I'm going to create a variable file name, and I'm going to assign it here to input to get the user input, and then we'll tell the user to enter a file name. Okay, so the user will enter a file name into there, and then we're going to use a conditional to evaluate the entry. So if os.path, whoops, I made a mistake there. How did that happen? Path dot exists, the file name. So if the file that we've typed into the input box exists, we're going to do something. Create a variable here called df and assign it to pd.read CSV. Read CSV there, and then file name. So that's the file name, so it should read that file name there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to print df dot, and then we're going to do to it should be in here somewhere, to string. Let's have a look. To string, that's it, to string there. Okay. To string, or else if that's not the case, we're going to print, and we're going to use F to format the string. It's going to be file name, and then a quick message to the user, not found. Now I've already got a CSV file on my desktop here, and let's just type this in here because we've got to call the program, so we call it Pandas CSV. That's how we call the program. Let's just save it. Let's just check out my CSV file, which is on the desktop here, called customers. Okay, let's run that. To do here, let's make it a bit bigger. Customers.csv. Hit enter, and whoops, let's just zoom out a little bit so you can see that. So we've got entries all the way up to there. So what have we got? We've got the index, the customer ID, the first names, the last names, the companies, and the city there. Let's just zoom out a little bit. And we've got more information than that. So that's the full table that we've printed out there. We've got the city, we've got the country, and everything. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.